Welcome to the MedHeads Podcast, where we dive into the science, stories, and strategies shaping our health and well-being. Today, we're exploring something timeless and transformative: mindfulness. Whether you're stressed, distracted, or just craving a deeper connection with life, the power of mindfulness might be exactly what you need. Let's start with the basics. What does it mean to live in the moment? Mindfulness is all about being present, really present. It's about noticing your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. Instead of stressing over what's next or ruminating on what's past, mindfulness anchors you in the now. Why is this important? Because living in the moment isn't just a nice idea, it's a game changer. When we embrace the present, we're rewarded with less stress, no more worrying about things we can't control, clearer minds, decision-making becomes easier, stronger relationships. When you're fully present, people feel heard and valued. And my favorite, a greater appreciation for life's simple joys, like a child's laugh or the smell of fresh coffee. Sounds amazing, right? But how do we make this a habit? The beauty of mindfulness is that it doesn't require a yoga mat or hours of spare time. You can practice it anywhere. Here are some simple ways to get started. Breathe deeply. Take a slow inhale. Hold for a moment, then exhale. Repeat this a few times when you feel stressed or overwhelmed. Engage your senses. What do you see, hear, smell, and feel right now? Being mindful of your surroundings can instantly ground you. Limit multitasking. Focus on one task at a time. Trust me, your brain will thank you. Practice gratitude. Reflect on one thing you're grateful for today. It's a small act with a big emotional payoff. Of course, challenges will pop up, like overthinking or getting distracted by our devices. When that happens, gently guide your focus back to the present. Remember, it's a practice, not a performance. Let's get nerdy for a minute. Did you know that mindfulness actually changes your brain? Research shows it thickens the gray matter in areas responsible for memory and self-awareness. It also dials down activity in the amygdala, the part of your brain that screams panic during stressful moments. The result? You feel calmer and more in control. Mindfulness also works wonders for your body. It lowers blood pressure, boosts your immune system, and even helps with pain management by changing how your brain processes discomfort. Think of mindfulness as a free, side effect-free medicine for your brain and body. Now, here's where it gets personal. Mindfulness doesn't just help us, it transforms how we interact with others. When you're mindful, you listen more, react less, and connect better. Conversations become more meaningful, arguments less explosive. Even a simple smile feels more genuine when you're present. But it doesn't stop there. Your calm energy has a ripple effect. When you practice mindfulness, you inspire those around you to slow down and be present too. Imagine how powerful that can be in families, friendships, or even communities. Mindfulness isn't about abandoning your responsibilities or ignoring the future. It's about finding balance. When we embrace the present moment, we can enjoy today while preparing for tomorrow without the overwhelm. So, here's my challenge for you. Today, find one moment to practice mindfulness. It could be during your morning coffee, a walk, or even brushing your teeth. Pay attention to the sensations, the sounds, and the rhythm of your breath. Just one moment. Remember, the power of now is always waiting for you. And if you're curious to learn more about mindfulness or want tips on how to integrate it into your life, check out meducate.com.au. Thank you for tuning in to the MedHeads Podcast. If you found this episode helpful, please share it with someone who could use a little mindfulness in their life. This podcast is brought to you by meducate.com.au, where you'll find courses and content designed to support your journey toward better health and well-being. Until next time, stay present, stay mindful, and as always, take care.